What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Intergalactic Griff for Brawl Stars. I'm going to start this lesson in the center page with the buttons. Let's start with the one in the middle. We're going to draw an oval, start from the center, go all the way around towards the left, over towards the right, and then back up towards the top. Now from the side of the oval, draw two short lines coming down, and close out the bottom with that same curve, coming down and then up. I'm going to add a set of buttons along the side. So on the left, we're going to step over, draw a short line coming down, line it up on the right. Now from the top, draw a straight line going across, down, and then back in to create a rectangle. Let's split these rectangles into four. So we're going to split this in the middle with one straight line, and then go across from left to right. Now I want to draw the outside edge of the screen. So on the left, right in here, draw a short line coming in on both sides. Let's go up to the top of the buttons, go straight up towards the top. Now let's flatten off the top with a straight line. Let's add the inside of the frame. So on the left, we're going to step down, draw a straight line going across the top. And then we want to round out the corners. We'll go out and then come straight down towards the bottom. Now let's add in the eyes. We're going to leave a gap in the center, start over on the left, draw a straight angle line going up and then out towards the top. Line this up on the right and do the same thing. And I want to round out the bottom of the eye. On the left, curve this around and then down. On the inside, come down and out. Let's draw two ovals on the inside. So on the left, draw a half oval coming down and then up for the pupils. Now from that center button, let's step down on either side and draw two small circles. And I'm going to wrap a lever going around. So let's start on the top left, go straight in, round up the inside, go all the way around that circle and go up towards a point. Let's do the same thing on the right. Start by going straight up and out, round up the inside, go up towards a point. In between those levers, add a small curve for the mouth, go to the outside and curve the mouth going up and then down. Let's close off the bottom with a straight line. Now I want to separate the teeth starting in the center with one line coming down. Let's move out to the side. We're just going to angle this down and then in. Just underneath the mouth, we're going to add a detail. So we're going to step down from the left side, go all the way across, come down with a short line, and then we'll draw one more line going across the bottom. Now I'm going to move up in the middle and add that detail in the center of the head. Let's start right in the middle. Start with a straight angle line going up and out towards the left, right side. Go up and in towards the top. And then we'll flatten this off. Let's trace this detail along the inside. Now move back down and draw the bottom edge of the wings. From here, angle this up and then out. Line it up on the right. Let's angle this up towards the top corner of the wings. And then we'll angle this back down and then in towards the side of the gem. Now I'm going to separate the wings in half with a straight angle line coming down. And we'll separate that outside with another straight angle line in the middle. Now with the face and the wings in place, let's draw a large square around the head. We're going to start on the left side, draw a straight line going out. Now I want to round out the corner, come all the way down towards the bottom of the head to right about here. Just going to line this up with this line. Let's round out the bottom corner, go all the way across the middle. Let's add a bevel across the center of the head. From this line, step over towards the outside of the buttons, draw a straight line going out. Now in behind the levers, draw a straight line, go all the way towards the outside. On the left side of the head, draw a straight line going out, round this out, come all the way down towards the bottom, round the corner and pull that back in. Let's line this up over on the right side. We're going to go out longer, round up the side, come down towards the same height, round the corner and then pull that back in. On the top right side, let's add the antenna. Start with 2 lines going up, round up the top, and then along the bottom, it's going to separate this. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the body. We're going to start over on the left side of the head, bend the body going out and then down towards the hip. Line this up on the right, and do the same thing. Close up the hip with a curve. In the center, let's add a circle. Then add a smaller circle in the middle. Let's add those 2 wings, starting from the top left, going up and out. Come down in towards the bottom. Then angle this down towards the bottom of the circle. And we'll split these in half with a straight angled line. From the hips, we're going to move up, draw another curve for the top of the belt. And we'll add the straps along the side. Leaving a gap in the center, go to the left, pull that curve coming down, round at the bottom, and then pull that back up. Let's add 2 small buttons along the bottom. From the buckle, we're going to step down and add a curve, going up and then down. Leave a gap in the center, go to the left side. We're going to bend the leg going out and then down toward the left heel. Move over towards the right, go out and then down towards the right heel. And then we want to round out the bottom of the feet. We come down and up on both sides. Let's go back to the left side. We're going to curve the foot. We're going to go up, bend this down, aiming towards the heel, leaving a small gap on the inside. And then on top of the foot, draw a straight line going up towards the edge of the boot. Curve this up and then down towards the inside of the legs. Let's go back up to the hips. We're going to curve the leg going out and then down in behind the boot. Let's go back up to the top and draw on the arms. We're going to start halfway between the bottom of the head and the bottom of the hip. Start right here, bend the arm going out and then down towards the wrist. From the wrist, add a small half circle for the thumb, and close off the end with a bracket. Let's add 3 fingers on either side. Starting from the thumb, we're going to come down and up around that bracket, come down towards the side, go out and then up with the second finger, and then the third finger, we're going to go out and just pull that up. From the outside of the glove, bend this in and then down towards the inside of the arms. From the outside corner of the glove, step in, bend the arm, go up and then in underneath the head. Let's add a stripe across the outside of the arm, just following that same curve along the inside. Now we're going to move down just underneath the hands, bend the cape going out and then down. And then we'll connect the bottom with a curve going in behind the legs. And we'll sign out art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Intergalactic Griff from Brawl Stars. If you enjoyed this lesson, join our club newsletter to get free sketched workshops each week. Just click the link in the description. I'll see you in the club.